All right. What's up, everybody? Chris Abbott here with FBInsuranceLeads.com. Welcome to this training video where we're going to show you how to use Facebook to do laser-focused lead generation on Autopilot. We're going to teach you how to put all of your lead generation on Autopilot using Facebook. If you haven't checked this out yet, check out the website at FBInsuranceLeads.com. But if you're on this video, then you're probably on our site. So let's get into it. We'll talk a little bit about what we're going to be learning today. So in this training video, you're going to learn which marketing tactics are working today and which ones aren't. We're also going to be talking about why Facebook is the #1 method of lead generation for insurance agencies. Why you absolutely must have an online marketing game plan to win in today's ever-changing marketplace. And finally, 3 little-known tricks to put your lead generation on Autopilot. So let's jump right in here and get started. So the first thing you're probably wondering, if you're brand new, who are we? Well, we are FBInsuranceLeads.com. We are Facebook marketing experts who specialize in generating leads for independent insurance agencies through highly targeted Facebook campaigns. We only work with independent insurance agencies. So it makes us different than everybody else out there. Is you'll find a lot of different companies who will try to try to do some type of general campaign or help generate sales leads for all different types of companies. But the bottom line is independent insurance agencies are completely different. It's a different beast than everybody else. So we focus on and specialize only in independent insurance agencies. So what this means is that we're actually going to put your insurance lead generation on Autopilot using Facebook. By using Facebook and a simple website landing page, one of our clients gained over $96,108 in new business leads. So if you're asking yourself or you're thinking to yourself, listen, I've tried Facebook, it doesn't work. We're here to tell you we exist because Facebook does work, and it works for independent insurance agencies. So we're going to show you just using Facebook, a simple website landing page, just how one of our clients gained over $96,108 in new business leads. What they did is they used highly targeted Facebook ads to target a new generation of customers because, as you already know, the old ways of marketing just don't work anymore. There's a lot more competition out there. The internet has changed everything. Google has changed everything. Facebook has changed everything. And with the different algorithms constantly changing through both Google and the way that they use search and Facebook, it has completely changed the game. So we're going to show you how to use those highly targeted Facebook ads to target the new generation so that you don't go the way of the dinosaur yourself. So just like our clients, they knew that they either had to adapt to the market or they would eventually have to close their business. And everybody knows this. You guys know this, that you have to continually reach new customers, continually reach the next generation. So let me ask you a question. If you want to have any chance of owning and operating a profitable independent insurance agency, what's the one thing you have to constantly have in order to make money and grow your business? And I think everybody knows the answer to this question. You have to continually get new leads. If you don't get new leads, you stop making money. So we all know that if you don't have a steady stream of brand new leads coming in through the door, your business won't grow. In fact, it'll be dead within a few short months. So that's what we're going to help you do. Each year, thousands of independent agency owners go out of business due to a lack of new leads and new premium being written. We're not telling you anything you don't know here. But see, what most independent insurance agencies don't realize is there's a marketing tool out there that will help get you an unlimited amount of targeted leads while you sleep. So no more cold calling. And that's worth repeating. No more cold calls. I myself have spent countless hours making cold calls back in the day, working for different sales organizations. I can tell you, and if you've done it before, you know that it is just soul sucking, and it's absolutely a bummer to continue to make those cold calls. We can make that a thing of the past. No more cold calls. We can actually target leads while you sleep, and that alone is priceless. No more cold calls. we just want to make sure you understand, no more cold calls. That alone is priceless. So for one small agency in Tulsa, Oklahoma, we use these methods and tactics to grow an independent agency from 2 offices to 9, increasing premiums by millions of dollars. We have so successful independent agents spend about 15% of their revenue on marketing, but the marketing they're using just isn't working anymore. And this is just the typical average independent insurance agency. We still see thousands of agencies using the phone book as their main marketing vehicle. I mean, come on, people! It's 2014. Using the phone book. A lot of agencies are still using the phone book for their main marketing vehicle, and billboards are still common, even though they are much less effective than they used to be. I don't know if you guys have seen Oprah, but she says 3 out of 5 people. I mean, you go drive down the highway, you look over, 3 out of 5 people are texting. Gary Vaynerchuk jokes about it. They're not looking at your billboard. They're not even looking at the road. Okay, so phone books, billboards, it's just not working anymore. So, and we even have a lot of agencies who get taken by these big corporate SEO companies. A lot of them are the black hat SEO companies that, for those of you who don't know, the SEO stands for search engine optimization, helping you get ranked on Google. And black hat SEO is a term for kind of those under the radar shady techniques that are a thing of the past. Now Google's changed their algorithm and they actually penalize you for using some of this. So if you go with the wrong agency or you do some of the wrong things, whether you realize that it is black hat or not, you're going to end up with extremely mediocre results. And in some cases, you'll get penalized by Google and they will just bury you. We don't want to see that happen. So the key to growth in this business is simply to have steady streams of new business coming in all the time so you can work those leads, show them that you're the right agency for them, and then grow referrals from there. But obviously, you already know that. You wouldn't be in the business if you didn't. So what you need to know is how to get that constant stream of new leads without spending a fortune in advertising. And the answer is right under your nose. We've already talked about it. If you've been to our website, you knew from the beginning of this video that the answer is Facebook. We're going to show you why. See, Facebook, but see, not in the way that you're probably thinking. Facebook has become the top marketing platform in the industry today, but it's being used all wrong. So many people think that if you just get on there and just post on Facebook, then the leads will come pouring in. It's if you've tried that before, then you know that is absolutely not the case. So some of the pros of using Facebook are that you can have laser targeted leads. You can find customers in your area only. Using Facebook ads, you can actually designate the exact demographic that you want to reach. So if you're specifically targeting males ages 18 to 25 who live within a 25-mile radius of your agency, you can do that using Facebook ads. You can actually, and then make sure that your ad is only shown to males ages 18 to 25 in your area who are within 25 miles of your agency. It's absolutely amazing how laser focused and completely specific you can be using Facebook ads if you know what you're doing. You only pay for the customers in your demographic. So there's no reason to reach customers who live an hour and a half or 2 hours away. If that's not going to be in your demographic, that's not who you're going to be looking to market to. So you can also, you can try and test ads to find what works best with Facebook, and then you can adjust those ads to constantly improve your ROI. You can focus on customers you know that you can help the best, especially based off of age, location, and even income levels. You can adjust the amount you pay for advertising as you wish. It's kind of like a faucet. When you need more leads, you just turn up that faucet and you can adjust the amount. You can throw some more money into advertising and watch those leads pour in. And when you have plenty of work and you guys are super busy and you're writing new premium every day, you can turn down that faucet a little bit and kind of turn down those marketing dollars so that you're and turn it back up whenever you need leads again. And that way, that's one of the great things about Facebook. You're not locked into an advertising contract that isn't working, like so many of us have experienced before. You can also gain followers and fans of your agency for free using your own Facebook page. You can use the right Facebook advertising techniques, or using the right Facebook advertising techniques, you can actually compete with the big dogs of insurance. So even being an independent insurance agency, it's kind of a level playing field. Using Facebook, you can specifically target the people and age demographic and your customer avatar that you're trying to go after. You can also advertise to a constant growing pool of new leads. There is, I just read a statistic the other day, said there are 5 new Facebook profiles being created every second. Every single second. So it's a constant growing pool of new leads, and you have the opportunity using Facebook to generate leads strictly off that age demographic and ideal customer avatar that you are trying to reach. You can set up your automated marketing systems that grow your book of business while you sleep, and there's little to no financial risk. If an ad doesn't work, simply take it down, adjust it until it does. You'll have real-time data to look at daily and adjust accordingly. And you can see results in a very short period of time. Sometimes you'll even see results instantly using Facebook. So some cons of the phone book, which we've talked about. So many people use this as their main marketing vehicle, even though it's 2014. But with the phone book, you're locked into an expensive contract, whether your ads are working or not. Your ad easily gets lost in a sea of insurance ads that all look the same. And so many times, well, you'll see this if you just open up the Facebook, whether it's insurance, any other place, open up to one of those to some ads and look at them, and every single one of it is full of platitudes. It's full of saying the exact same thing that don't create any value to the customer. And so as a prospective customer is looking through there's so many ads where you could literally just take the name off of one ad and switch it with the name of another ad, and it would still be true. They're offering the exact same stuff. None of it is unique. None of it stands out. It all looks the same, and it all looks the same to a prospective customer. With the phone book, your leads aren't highly targeted. Unqualified leads are time wasters and can even hurt your business. The cost of phone book ads increases each and every year, even as its effectiveness decreases. And we actually read on this specific statistic the other day, and actually said that each year the phone book loses 10% of its client base. So it's getting 10% less readership every single year, and meanwhile the ads go up in price. It just doesn't make sense, and that's why the phone book is dying. Your ads are in black and white on the phone book, or for a much higher fee you can even have some color, but it's very non-dynamic and boring. As we said before, each year the phone book readership decreases by a minimum of 10%, so you're continually reaching a smaller pool. And it's just a matter of time before the phone book goes the way of the dinosaur, becomes obsolete. So don't throw your money away on advertising that doesn't work anymore. Also, some of the cons of the billboards, besides Oprah's statistic, is that you're only reaching a limited amount of people. For the people that actually do see the billboard, you, again, are locked into an expensive contract, even if the ad doesn't work. You have static billboards that customers see constantly can become ineffective because the customer just becomes numb to the advertisements. And this happens all the time. I'm sure every single one of you have noticed something where as you're driving down the road, you'll see a billboard or an ad or something like that, and you might notice it for the first day, the second day, maybe even the third day. But by the end of the week, you don't even see that billboard or that advertisement anymore. It just becomes a part of your drive, and you just keep on cruising. And that happens to every single person as they're in their car, they're driving driving down the road, listening to the radio, texting, talking on the phone, whatever they shouldn't be doing, the last thing that they're doing is reading billboards. Billboards are super expensive and they're a big financial risk. And your billboard designs are actually extremely limited. Billboard designs are extremely limited and take much more effort to be eye-catching and to stand out from all the other billboards on the road. So in order to reach a lot of people, you have to have multiple billboards, which only multiplies the cost exponentially. Your ad is shown to such a vague pool of readers. The ads are not laser focused. You pay for ads to people who may not even want or need your service. Again, it's just money wasters. The last part is SEO companies, which we talked about a little bit earlier. Now, just a quick disclaimer. While we do believe SEO is important, hiring a company that only does SEO is often a big non-guaranteed risk. And we talked about some of those risks a little bit earlier with some of the black hat SEO firms. And some of the ones who haven't kept up with Google's algorithms as they continue to change the search parameters. So some SEO companies, they'll take a long time to see if there will be results, often at least 6 months or more. And if Google unexpectedly changes their algorithms again, your website could be docked and moved down the list. And you have no control over this. A lot of times it can take another 6 months to climb back up the rankings on Google's list. Again, I read a statistic that said that 50% of people 50% of searchers don't even make it to page 2 in Google. Okay, so 1 out of every 2 people that are searching on Google never even make it to page 2. So that's a big deal. You want to make it to page 1, and you definitely can't afford to be docked for an algorithm change that you have absolutely no control over with some type of SEO company that hasn't been following Google's changes the way that they should. And these companies are often big and impersonal, and they charge astronomical numbers, which just doesn't make sense for a small independent insurance agent. And most of them have little to no experience with independent insurance agencies. SEO isn't as effective when it comes to businesses that rely on local traffic, such as insurance. So Facebook ads are by far the best way to advertise your local agency, and the benefits and value far outweigh the cost. In summary, you basically, we've talked a little bit about Facebook and why Facebook ads, how they are laser focused, how you can use Facebook ads to put your lead generation on autopilot. Facebook advertising combined with a fully optimized website is the only way to truly put your lead generation on autopilot and stop cold calling. But now what? We've talked about this. We've given you a little bit of ideas about how effective Facebook advertising can be, but what's the next step? So answer is you need a game plan. You need a Facebook game plan. If you want to get fast results as quickly as possible, you need our professional online marketing game plan that we've custom designed specifically for independent insurance agencies. And our online marketing game plan will show you exactly what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. We will provide an in-depth analysis of your current marketing and lead generation efforts in 3 vital areas. The first one is an optimized website. Remember we said back before that we had one of our clients just using Facebook ads and an optimized website landing page. Well, one of the things that you have to do is you have to have your website set up to capture leads. We're going to take a look at that for you and find out is your website optimized and is it set up to capture leads? Is your website set up to convert those leads to sales? And how effective is your sales copy? So these are 3 of the things we're going to look at when we look at an optimized website to see how optimized your website is, and if you're using Facebook to send traffic there, is it set up and completely optimized to be able to capture those leads, convert them to sales, and do you have effective sales copy? Number two, we are going to look at your SEO. We're going to using SEO best practices and what's called white hat SEO. We're going to take a look at your search engine optimization and find out, can customers find you on Google, or are you buried somewhere on page 2, 3, 4, or 5 where nobody can even find you? Do you have the proper amount of long tail keywords? Long tail keywords are extremely important when it comes to search engine optimization. You'll be ranked on Google according to those long tail keywords. And what is your local SEO search ranking? We're actually going to put you into a system and find out your local SEO search ranking, because you have two different types of SEO. You have global SEO, where anyone in the world who's looking for you can find you. That doesn't really matter. You're not trying to sell insurance in China. What you need is local SEO, and that's different. And we're actually going to find out out of 100 what your grade is and your search ranking for your local SEO currently. And then the last is your Facebook marketing. Is your Facebook fan page set up to capture leads? Are you effectively using Facebook ads to write new premium? And do you feel like you're just wasting time on Facebook? A lot of people have that. And if do you even have a Facebook page? If you don't have a Facebook business page, we need to get that set up and get that working immediately, so that we can set it up to capture leads and effectively use Facebook ads to continue to sell customers, write new premium, and make sure that you're not wasting your time with Facebook. So not only are we going to analyze these 3 vital areas of your online marketing, again, telling you what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong, but most importantly, we're going to tell you how to fix them. We're going to give you a step-by-step game plan of how to fix your marketing weaknesses, so that you'll know exactly what you need to focus on to put your lead generation on autopilot. An in-depth consultation of this magnitude could cost you anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, and we've even seen it as much as $25,000, and these guys don't even specialize in insurance companies. But so here's the deal. What we're going to do is we're going to do your online marketing game plan with a complete analysis of your website, search engine optimization, and Facebook marketing. And then we're going to show you how to fix it, all for just $97. You're going to get a step-by-step website optimization roadmap. You're going to get local SEO tips and tricks for Google and how to rank higher in Google. And we're going to have done-for-you Facebook resources to help you get on Facebook and get you using those laser-focused Facebook ads to be able to generate new leads, sell those leads, and write new premium. All from a team of online marketing professionals that specialize in insurance agencies. This is all we do, is independent insurance agencies. So as a special bonus, if you order today, you'll even get a free consultation call with yours truly. That's right. Again, my name is Chris Abbott with FBInsuranceLeads.com. If you sign up today, we're actually going to offer you a free consultation call where you can ask me any questions that you have, whether it's about your website or SEO or Facebook marketing or anything else. I'm a diehard Washington Redskins fan. If we want to talk about that, I would love to talk about RG3 and how he's absolutely going to dominate the season. So if you have any questions at all, we'd be more than happy to set up a time where we will give you a free consultation call, talk about your marketing, and help you answer any questions that you may have. So in conclusion, if you want to take your business to the next level by putting your lead generation on autopilot, take action now and schedule your online marketing game plan simply by clicking on the button below. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. From your friends at FBInsuranceLeads.com, have a great day. Thanks for checking out this training video, and I can't wait to talk to you on the consultation call.